Hey Drawisers, today we're going to draw a face shield. Welcome to Drawise, your connection to creativity, and let's begin. So we'll begin by drawing, it's the screechy marker again, I apologize for it. We're going to have to learn to love it though. So we're going to do the visor part, the top part. I've been seeing a lot of these face shields lately. It's like the upgrade from a face mask. Can't say I wore one myself, but I thought they're worthwhile at least addressing. It's pretty simple to do. Just going down. A little bit angular at the end to get the angle of the plastic. You can use a thinner marker or maybe a Sharpie and get this part, and the elastic strap at the end. Also, I'll use this Sharpie to do it. There you go. Maybe I'll go over just to make it a bit thicker. Yeah, let me trace over that. Okay, but pretty much this is the elastic strap in the back that you see. I'll color that in. And now, to give it a little bit of personality, I'll draw some eyes, give it a facial expression. Okay, so we'll start with the eyes. Just like so, 2 circles. We'll give them eyelashes. I think I'll use a Sharpie for this as well. Just so I need that fine tip of this to get the detail right. Perfect. Same on the other side. And I'll get those colored in as we go along. After that, let's get back to the face. Always happy. How can you not be happy with this face shield? Tongue. Give him some teeth. And I think we're ready for details. So some circles. Perfect. And I'll color in the parts in black, the eyes and the mouth as well. As always, I'd love any suggestions that you have that I draw. I'm always looking for the next idea, the next topic. I've been getting some lately that I really enjoyed. And if you like this or any of the videos, please consider subscribing and sharing. Drop a like, it's always appreciated. And now we're just about done here. I think I'll give it some indication of a shear, plastic shear. It's just 2 lines, just going like this. This. And we can color. So let's start with red for the tongue. And quickly draw this, or color this in. And we can move on to the plastic portion, the top one. They're usually, I've seen them in all different colors, but I've blue is more common as far as I can tell. Just quickly get this all colored in, and the circle we'll put in a different color. I think I'll also give this guy some cheeks. Maybe I'll do this right now. Give this guy some pink cheeks. Why not? Here you go. It's just 2 circles. Just for additional color, additional fun. And just so I don't forget, I do want to get this colored in orange. Not that I've seen a lot of elastic straps colored in orange, but I thought it would go together with the blue. They're usually pretty bland. But this isn't real life. We can do whatever we want here. And now, just to get this all colored in. And yeah, it's a quick tutorial, but you know, pretty relevant for the times. These things are all over the place. Might as well learn how to draw one. It seems like it's going to be sticking around for a while. And I haven't seen anybody really address the face shield yet, so I thought I'd do it. I did have a video before this with the Earth wearing a face shield, but I thought that it needs to be its own drawing. Give it respect. There you go, almost done here. We'll get the bottom part. And we've got our face shield. Again, if you liked it, let me know. And until then, see you next time. Be safe and goodbye, guys.